today we're gonna doing the taste test challenge with Cobs Popcorn because they released some new flavors and we're gonna try them and I'm really excited. Saahil, how are you feeling? Are you
Good. Then we have 8 flavors.
Yeah. And guys, actually, I'm not gonna wear a blindfold, but Saahil is because he's little. So what are we gonna do now?
We're gonna take them.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Is this mine? So what do you think the flavor is?
Milk chocolate.
Yeah, I think it's milk chocolate too.
Look at you.
You sure?
Yeah, I think it's milk chocolate.
Oh, it's milk chocolate.
Yup, it's milk chocolate.
You said no.
We're right. So you get a point and I get a point.
Wait, no. You said no.
What?
Yeah.
I said it was milk chocolate. You said it was milk chocolate.
We played. No, we played that one.
Both get
I'm
a.
just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I know.
No, we played that one. We played that one.
This is good.
Okay, both get a point. All right, let's try the second flavor.
Alright, where's my bowl? Oh, here it is.
Maybe it's cheddar cheese.
What do you think it is?
Cheddar cheese.
I don't think it's cheddar cheese. I think it's like sort of salty.
I think like salty and sweet, but I think it's cheddar cheese.
I think it's sea salted caramel.
I think it's sea salted caramel.
Are you swapping my answers?
Yeah,
Saahil!
I think it is.
Oh my god.
I think
Yeah.
it is sea salt caramel.
Yeah, that's our final answer. Sea salt caramel.
So both of you think it's sea salt and caramel?
Yeah.
Okay, so both get a point because it is sea salted caramel popcorn.
That's right.
Yep, we got a point. We have to stop copying my answers.
We both got a point. We both got 2 points. I thought I was winning by myself.
Alright, guys, so let's try the next flavor.
I know. It's so shit. It's so soft. Oops.
Oh, very cheesy.
It's so salty.
Have like the powder
and cheesy. And with powder, baby. I like the one because maybe cheddar cheese. I like cheddar cheese.
Wait, one sec.
Maybe called cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese. I need cheddar cheese.
Yeah, I think it's cheddar cheese too.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat this. So the food.
You're gonna know the answer or something? Or you sure it's cheddar cheese?
Yeah, instead of cheese. Cheddar cheese.
Yep, we got 1 point.
No, we got 3 points now.
Yeah, each of us got I got 3 points and he got 3 points.
Can I eat this?
So far, so good. No one
Can I eat
has
this?
lost.
Yes.
I'm gonna eat this.
It's really
You
good.
love
Can
it?
we eat it?
It's not bad.
Alright, guys, so the next flavor.
I think it dark
This is mine, right? Okay, let me try it.
I didn't like dark chocolate.
It's
looks
dark.
bitter. It looks dark.
How did you know it's dark chocolate? Did you sneak?
No.
Did you look at the flavor?
No.
Oh my god, that is so bitter. Oh,
Really?
that's
I
way
did.
bitter.
Okay, then.
Yeah.
What flavor is it?
Dark chocolate.
Okay, what do you think, Sana? It is.
I feel like dark chocolate, but it's just like a little bit like
Buttery.
yeah, sort of. Cause like popcorn, so I might like give it. Actually not give it. I might say it's like some sort of sea salt or something with like a little bit chocolate or
No,
something.
ain't not sea salt.
Okay.
No, with what?
All right,
You know
let's
that
see
means-
who won this challenge, this round. It is.
Dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Yep, with sea salt, so I got a point too. I'm really happy about that.
Wait.
So far, so good.
Wait, we both got popcorn.
Point again.
Yeah.
We both got
point.
Yeah, we both got a point. So you're having 4 points and Adi is having 4 points.
Yeah.
All right, let's see how we go with the next round.
It said
What?
Cobs Popcorn at 2 p.m.
All right, guys. So the next flavor.
And then like seesaw, but I think I'm so confused. I don't like the one. I think it's seesaw.
Sea salt.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think, Sana?
I don't know. It's like sort of
Oh yeah.
I don't know, Raz. I'm gonna go with
What flavor?
I'm gonna go with sea salt too.
Sea salt. Okay. What do you think, Saahil?
Seesaw. I just saw that.
Sea salt.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yup, guys. We actually no, wait, never mind. We didn't get a point. It's best ever butter since you used the original flavor. I can't believe we got that wrong. I really thought it was sea salt, but it wasn't.
Did you think it was a butter flavor, Saahil?
In the fun one of that one, I just said it's butter.
Oh, then you said it's sea salt.
Yep.
Oh.
So I got to change your answer.
No, you didn't get a point. Your final answer was sea salt, so you both don't get a point. Alright, guys, so the next flavor is.
Oh.
Oh, you literally caught it. Alright.
I really don't know the flavor.
I don't like the flavor. I eat it because I don't like the flavor. I need some water.
Yeah.
What flavor do you think it is, Sana?
I don't know. It's like we've already done sea salt, a caramel, so it can't be that. And it I can feel like sort of chocolate around it, and I really don't even know what to like.
I think maybe chocolate dark milk.
I don't even know.
Chocolate milk.
I don't know at all.
Chocolate is. Well, I don't know.
No, like
Maybe salt and vinegar. Maybe sea.
Salt?
Maybe sea salt.
No.
we already did that.
Not caramel.
I'm really confused. Oh my god. What is this? I thought it was sea salt and caramel, but I forgot that there's chocolate on it.
It's milk chocolate.
It's milk chocolate, but it's sea salted
I
caramel.
thought we already did sea salt and caramel. Oh my god.
I got a point.
No, but you got a point, sweetie. You couldn't guess it. You said it's milk chocolate, and you said it's salt and vinegar and all that, but no, it is sea salted caramel milk chocolate. So Saahil is on. Alright, guys. So you both got 4 points each.
Yeah.
Right?
Actually, never mind, guys. It's actually pretty good. I like it. And guys, I actually have a sweet tooth. This is really good for me.
Alright, guys. So the next flavor.
Is it mine?
Maybe.
Try it first.
I did.
Oh, what?
Butter.
You already had butter, Sally. You can't beat butter. What's not helping you? Anyways.
Maybe seas. Maybe salt and what about salt and vinegar? Maybe salt and vinegar.
Okay. Sure.
What do you think it is, Sana?
I'm so confused. I don't even know what it is. It's like so plain and salty, but we already had butter, so it can't be that. And I'm just, oh my god, I'm so confused. And I can't feel any chocolate around it, so it's definitely not anything which includes chocolate. I just don't know, what is this? Oh, wait. I can taste a little bit of caramel. What is this? Oh my god, I've got no idea. I really have no idea. Wait.
Wait, I'm gonna go this one.
Okay.
I think maybe caramel, but maybe salt and vinegar.
Salt and vinegar. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna go.
Sana.
I did not salt and vinegar. Caramel.
You think caramel?
Your caramel or salt? What do you think, Saahil, it is? Caramel. Okay. What do you think, Sana?
I'm gonna go with like something caramel, I guess. I don't really know.
Okay. Let's see. What is it?
It's a
Show your friends.
It's a lightly salted and slightly sweet popcorn flavor.
Okay. So you both guessed it wrong.
Where did you guess?
Actually, Sahil guessed it half right. He said it's salt.
No, you guessed.
So he said salt and no, he said caramel. Oh yeah, it's a caramel, right? Oh yeah. So
I guess-
both don't get a point. So still
I
on
guess
4 points each.
Okay, guys. So because we both got 5 points, that means it's a tie. So we're gonna be doing rock paper scissors to see who wins and will get the 6th point. By the way, I'm gonna be doing 3 out of 3. Come on, stop eating popcorn. Let's do rock paper scissors. Rock paper scissors shoot. Well, 1 point for you. Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot.
Sahil is the winner.
You won, so you got 2 points, and you are the winner. Congratulations! Yay! You're the winner. So guys, that's gonna be the wait! That means I will let maybe both win.
Oh, that's so sweet.
So guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. We really hope you guys enjoyed it. So make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you guys can get notified whenever we post a new video. And let's get started. Bye guys. Let's get started.